Hi, I'm Mike, founder of Cloud9, and yeah, I started a supplement company for drinkers. Not because I planned to, but because I needed it myself. A few years ago, my life looked great on the outside. I had a successful career, loving relationship, but I was struggling with something I kept hidden. What started as an occasional glass of wine to unwind had gradually turned into a nightly ritual, and it was affecting everything: my sleep, my mornings, my productivity, and most importantly, how I showed up for the people that I love. I wasn't what you'd call an alcoholic, but alcohol had definitely become a problem in my life, and nothing I tried gave me lasting results. That evening wine habit, it always crept back in. And then everything changed during a mountain bike ride with my friend Dr. Robin Terranella. I opened up about my struggles, not knowing that he specializes in treating biological imbalances caused by alcohol. And he said something that completely changed my perspective. Habits and biology are linked, and you don't necessarily have to quit or cut back to make a change. Dr. Rob explained that alcohol depletes certain nutrients and that when you restore them, behavior change becomes dramatically easier. So I started taking the custom formula, and the results, it was incredible. I had more energy, more focus, and my relationship of 13 years, it got way better. We even got married. But there was one problem. The regimen required multiple supplements at precise dosages, and it was expensive and way too complicated. So I knew there had to be a better way. So Dr. Rob and I founded Cloud9. We brought on Dr. Brooke Scheller, a best-selling author on nutrition and drinking habits, to help perfect the formula. We combined everything into one comprehensive supplement designed specifically for drinkers, and it's called Daily Restore. We started small, just hoping to help a few people avoid the struggle I went through. Fast forward to today, and over 23,000 people have used Cloud9 to take control of their drinking and protect their health. Daily Restore works by replenishing nutrients alcohol depletes, supporting liver detox and ingredients like Milk Thistle and NAC, and promoting mental clarity and mood stability. It's the formula I wish I had years ago. We ship directly from our US facility, and our team genuinely cares about your journey. Every bottle goes out with a sense of purpose because we've seen the ripple effects that come from even one small positive change. So, if alcohol has become a bigger part in your life than you'd like, or you just want to protect your health while still enjoying social drinks, try Daily Restore. You'll have better mornings, clearer thinking, a stronger you. And it's all backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for being here. We are honored to support your journey towards a more balanced life.
You know what's nice is going out on the town and having a few drinks with the friends or my wife and not feeling crappy the next day. Let me tell you, these guys from Cloud9 have come out with this Daily Restore vitamin that I take 3 of them in the morning. That night, I have a few drinks, go out with the buddies, and the next morning, I feel great. So, if you haven't tried this yet, you might want to. My mental clarity, everything is fantastic every single day since I've been taking this, because let me tell you, we get a little older, we need a little something extra to help us out. So check out Cloud9.